Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're not subscribed yet, make sure to do so. Anyways, today I brought you the most expensive Gucci AirPod case that I could find on Amazon. It cost me about $29. And let's just do the unboxing right now and let's see how it looks like. So I got it right here. There you go. There you go. So that's the one. It comes with regular case that I'm not gonna use, but just the silicone black case. We'll do that later. But that's the Gucci one that I got. It's actually the best looking one that I could find on Amazon. Let's do the unboxing right now. Be gentle a little bit. There you go. That looks actually really good. Oh, it's right here. Wow, that's actually fancy. Push it back. Wow. Look at it. Isn't that beautiful? Alright, so let's just open it. Come with a lanyard, as you guys can see. Actually it's a wrist lanyard, it's not even the neck one. So I'm not sure if it's gonna fit me. That's the lanyard. What else? A hook. Not sure if you guys can see it. A hook. Trash. So this is how it looks like. It looks actually beautiful. Look at it from the inside. And the material actually, it's kind of leathery. Yeah, it is. And the Gucci logo right here, it's kind of a little bit glossy. See the back. So this one for the Bluetooth button to connect the AirPods. And the hook goes right here. Just like that. And if you have a keychain, you can just use it with your keychain. Anyways. Let's put the AirPods inside. Take this one out. Voila. Fits in just perfect. You open your AirPods. They hit the back just perfectly. I tried a couple cases before and then the back is actually not even, so you cannot literally connect the Bluetooth for some reason. But anyways, so let's assemble everything and see how it looks like. Voila, this is it. Isn't that beautiful? I love it actually. Gonna start using it. Anyways, if you guys actually like it, I'll do a giveaway and give one to one of my subscribers. Just make sure you comment, like, and I'll choose one of the comments and just send you one. But you have to live in the US. If you live abroad, I'm sorry, I can't do that. And I'll ship it to your house. Anyways, hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.